So I just got an Xbox 360, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm gonna open it up for you. It's just kind of a little unboxing thing. I don't know how interesting it'll be, so I'll just get right to it. This is actually the first time I've opened it up, so you'll be here for the very beginning of it. So I guess you open it up kind of like this. So I'll kind of show you the box a little bit. It's just Xbox 360. I got it kind of on a deal. It was around $100. So it seemed like a good idea to me, so I just went ahead and got it. I think it comes with a controller, headset, comes with some different cords and stuff, just basic box, whatever, just Xbox 360 looks pretty cool. Let's see what's inside. Just rearrange myself a little bit better view. So let's open this up, see what we got. Ready? What? This is a Nintendo. What? This are you okay, is this some sort of joke? What? Honestly, on a PS2 controller, a Wii Just Dance. Oh my. What do we got here? Donkey Kong. Well, at least it's Donkey Kong.